Outdoor-skills. I decided this morning to take a little walk up on the mountain with my dog, and I saw all this dried up sagebrush flowers still hanging on the bush up above the snow, nice and dry in the wind. And I thought, boy, that would make a good tinder core maybe. Typically around here it's very hard in the winter time to find the nice grasses and stuff to get going. You get all the coarse stuff that's sticking up above the snow. Yeah, it makes a good tinder bundle, but it's really hard to try to get a core out of it. So I was looking at alternative things. I don't know how this is going to work, but got a little piece of char cloth here. I'm going to fire up this little piece of char cloth. We'll drop it in there and see just how it works. Made a little hole here in the middle so that I can drop that in there, and I try to close that up and get it going. I think we're going to have some success because these flowers are really a lot of hair in there. It looks good. Okay, well, let's see if we can get our char going. Oops. It's smoky, and it's going for sure now. Put a little life in it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna drop that right in there. Close that up like this. Got a nice little cone shape to it, see? Oh, we got flame. Stems in there were a little bit coarse, but we did get flame on. I'm going to keep it going here. I would drop it into my other tinder and start blowing away. So that tells me right now, if you're out and about and you see your sage or any other kind of plant, it's got these flowers up there all dried out and all puffy. It's like that picture. I'm gonna start it with a picture, I believe, and show you where I harvested this. And that definitely will help get that, you know, most of the stuff I get around here, that it's real stemmy like this. You know, and it just can't get it. You can't get it going. So this will, a little more preparation, maybe I can make it better. But this was just cold, straight up. Grab it, bunch it up, do this. Use a piece of char cloth and blow it into a flame. Pretty explosive little flame it had, kind of quick and gone. So maybe I should make it more dense. I would have to practice with it, but that's why I try to encourage people through my videos to get out there and do it. I don't tell you what's the best for you. I don't try to sell you fire starter stuff, but I do a lot of experimentation, and you get to watch it and decide if that's something you might like to try. It's great for building confidence, especially in young people and their parents. It's never seen stuff like this. So, you know, get out there and give it a try. Okay, until next time, take it outdoors.